Yeah, I just driving through here for an exciting time, and stopped and was gonna look at the couple thousand catfish over here, baby catfish. And I got to looking and I saw, just a little bit of stripes there. And I said, uh-oh, somebody tried to get in that hole and got stuck, then got dead. Well, hopefully everybody's having a great time. More like those little bitty catfish. I hope you're having a better day than this guy. So keep your head up out of the hole. Be like a catfish. Goodbye now.